you doing, man?
You know, just in case. Come on. Here. Okay. I'll go through the projector. You make yourself comfortable.
Okay. Comfortable. Yeah. Right.
Mary, say hello to Stacey. She's coming to live with us.
Butch, no. Okay, what's going on?
I told you I was gonna put you in pictures. I just left out the word permanently.
What are you doing?
Let her go, Butch. We'll talk about this when you get home.
Put a sock in it, Square. I'm in charge of this picture now. Things are gonna be a lot different around here. There. Fasten your seatbelt, baby doll. It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
Okay, date's over. You are too weird. Run, Stacey, run!
Come back!
Oh!
You have a nice trip, bucko?
Yeah, you have a nice trip, bucko.
Merton, I'll handle it, okay?
Hey, I'll go 2 against 1, but I ain't fighting no bear. Oh, he's not a bear. He's pure-blooded, all-American werewolf. And I'm his sidekick, his compadre, the Tonto to his Lone Ranger. Oh, but I'd be happy to share any of Kemosabe's weak points with you.
Oh, heaven.
Mary, your language.
Let him go, Butch! Sorry, Charlie, now back off, or I'm pulverizing this pipsqueak. Okay, the neck is very brittle. I didn't drink much milk as a child.
Butch, you get back in that movie, and you leave us alone.
Chance, chump. I only came out here because I wanted a companion to bring back, but you gotta make things all screwy for me.
Come on, Butch. You don't have it so bad in your movie. Mary's a beautiful girl, you know.
Yeah, she's all right. But between you and me, she's not a whole lot of fun, you know what I mean?
Butch, I was thinking, if you come back, I'll let you get to second base.
No fooling?
Try me. Besides, we all kind of miss you back in here.
Calm down!
All right, Mary, let's get cracking.
Butch is about to learn that bad deeds don't go unpunished.
What?
You're coming with me, young man.
Hey, no fair, I got that boo.
Thanks, Tommy.
No problem, Mary. Thanks anyways. But I've already got a gal.
Could you just flash that number one more time?
Now that looks like good, clean fun. Mary, I never approved.
Oh, stop it! That's not nice.
Well, Stacey's petition saved the Rialto. But before they could start renovating, Mom and Dad took a trip down memory lane. Ugh. And as for Butch, well, he clearly left his mark on Pleasantville.
Vanilla. My favorite flavor. You want to dance?
Yeah, having problems with these new dance steps, you know?